Hello students. In this lecture today we shall try to understand the concepts of import and export. An import is a good or service brought into a jurisdiction, especially across a national border from an external source. In simple words, we can say that when one country brings goods or services from another country, then that activity or that transaction can be said as import. On the other hand, when any country sends goods and services to another country, then the country that sends the items becomes the exporter and the activity is known as export. So therefore an import is bringing goods and services into the home country, whereas we can say that an export is sending items from the home country. The party that imports goods and services are known as importer. There are different traders or business houses which deal in the activity or function of importing. That means they see what is required in the domestic market, what is the demand, and accordingly, if there is demand and to satisfy that demand, if product and services are available in a foreign country and there are sellers in that country, so they bring those items to be sold in the home country from the sellers of a foreign country, and they become those traders then in the home country become importers. So therefore we can say that since two countries are involved and the transaction is between nations, so therefore we can say that import is a type of international trade. And import in the receiving country becomes an export in the sending country. Means when any import takes place, definitely that import will be when we look from the home country's side, that becomes import. However, for the country from which the items are sent or items are sold, for that country it becomes an export. Thank you.